Have you got a minute? Let's make this. It's easy to make, devilicious, and has scary ghosts inside. It's a Halloween spooky cake. Here's what you'll need. 2 cakes, 1 devil's food, of course, and 1 yellow cake, plus the oil and eggs that go into your cake batter. To make the chocolate cake really black, use black food coloring. Equal parts of green, red, and blue food coloring also makes black. For the yellow cake, you'll divide into 2 bowls. Add purple food coloring to one, orange to the other. Then, pour half of the chocolate batter into a greased Bundt pan. Add the purple batter, but don't stir. Then the orange batter, again, no stirring. Finish it off with the rest of the chocolate cake, then pop it in the oven. While the cake cools, make the drizzle. Microwave a container of vanilla frosting for 15 seconds. Pour half into one bowl and add purple coloring. The second bowl gets a nice bright orange. And drizzle till you love the way it looks. Then cut it open and ooh, spooky, never tasted so good. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.